Hey guys, I'm Evan.
I'm Sam.
And this is our third week of continuing swing with the summer session. Today we went into doing a swing out. We started everybody off doing our a repeat of our lead goes in front maneuver like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we added a walking component to make it into an 8 count. Let's get it all in frame here. Yeah. So it looked like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk, walk, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk, walk, 7, 8. And the most important thing to carry away from that is we thought about doing it in three parts. The first being the rock step, where we get a nice stretch, a nice backward motion for the leader and the follower. Rock step. And leaders, you're going to let your follow continue going back in that direction as you move yourself in front. So 1, 2, where you get in front and have this nice stretchy, if we did that sit exercise, you can feel this nice stretchy connection here. And the third component, 1, 2, 3, triple step, where you're just going to walk straight back in a line, because the best way to get your partner to go in a direction is to go in that direction yourself.
And follows, your job here is to keep this connection with your lead, and that's what's going to create the stretch even as you are walking. As long as you are seeking that connection, you're going to feel it.
And the transition out of that into a swing out is actually very simple. All you have to do, leaders, is take a pivot step off the line, and followers, you'll take your step kind of as a sideways turn. The way that we make sure that this happens is we have our Ironman beams, and so we're going to make sure that we are orienting our chests toward each other even as we're passing by each other. So the way that works from the closed position is like this. 1, 2, triple stretch, step, step, triple step. And it's very important that we get that nice stretch on 3 and 4, because leaders, to make this happen, you have to step straight backward and send your follows down the line. And as you're sending them down the line, you're going to take that step back, side, triple step, and you won't really be coming back onto the line until the triple step to give your follow enough room to the line.
Well, as you are just going straight up and down the line, your leader is going to make room for you to do so, and you are stepping forward, but your chest should still be facing your leader, and then your pivot step is going to come as you turn, and then you will triple step backwards.
Indeed, your pivot step does come as you turn.
Yes. Thanks, Evan.
You're welcome. I will point things out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step, triple step. So it's helpful for follows to make sure that you get most of the way around from that first step. And for leaders, it's really helpful to make sure you get most of the way around getting in front of your follow for that triple step. So you're going 1, 2, triple step. I'm mostly all the way around before you even get to my triple steps. And then we can extend this. We're in an open position. It's the same idea. We're going to create that big woo, stretch, woo, stretch, woo. And it's important to be able to make that stretch that we have enough slack in our arms here. We don't want to start all the way out here because then we're just going out high. Stretch, stretch. It's not as nice as woo, stretch. And we can use all that momentum to pass each other easily. And we're going to use that now, stepping out of the way just as before, but connecting with our partners. 1, 2, 3, and 4, same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Leaders, you just have to be ready and around early in order to stop your follow's momentum.
Yep, and follows, do not stop your own momentum. Your lead is going to be there to catch you.
Yes, it's very much more like a slingshot. Sam's not putting herself in a place. She's just making sure that she's aligned with my chest like we were before. So we start facing each other, pass by facing each other, and end facing each other. You can always look at your partner. And then the same straight back, triple step. We can show those a few times from a couple of angles, but this is mostly what we did today, is just the swing out. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot step, triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, pivot step, triple step. 1, 2, From a different angle, let's maybe go this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, sorry. This way. Starting from close, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can maybe switch sides. Switch sides. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So notice how Sam is really covering most of this distance. We're using that stretch from that first rock step to cover the distance. I'm really not moving very far. I'm just ready to catch her. So that's pretty much all there is to it. What we said, we'd show you the circle again in the recap. So Lindy's circle is just a way to get back into this position from open position. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, step, step, triple step. And you can use the circle to over-rotate, under-rotate. You can get like more than 360. 1, 2, 3, 4, step, step, triple step. So that was once and a half the way around.
And we will cover that and connect these two things next week.
See ya.